you're going to hell. Get the hell about my town. I know your pants about a brand. You can't even lift up. And call me triple chin. Nah, call me triple win. Cause you three are in the bin. The fucking king. Call me Spider-Man, I'm out of swing. Bitch, you thought you a princess, I'm the motherfucking king. Bitch, you think you're Google, you're not even big. Call me admin, I'm about a slash fling. Alright, mom and dad, it's your turn. Can't believe I was your sperm. Thinking your body makes me squirm. You died, I won't even put you in a urn. Mom and dad, you're way too old. Your skin is growing fucking mold. Kicking me in that was cold. I'll be back in the stronghold. Cause I'm coming to claim my throne. Taking a shit on your cheekbone. Pooping on your gravestone. You made me a cake of ashes. This track, I'm about to pass it.
So the name's Aurora, huh? Why you making me try you everywhere, bruh? What's the deal with K-pop? We all know CRUZ gang on top. Why you drawing on my walls? I'ma trip you in the halls. Yo, what up, mom? It's your son. You weigh a metric ton. Telling everyone that you cut my off of what? You haven't done that in years. Here comes an uppercut. You always getting mad when I swear. Now it's time for you to say a prayer. Oh wait, is that dad? Your forehead looks like a Fortnite launching pad. Switched up on me for baby's day? Nah, bitch, you're a fucking snake. Next year will be your last birthday